Dashiell Fox. Hey. You want to take a bath? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, Muskrat. Do you want to take a bath? Dashiell. Hey. Do you want to take a bath? No? What about your shirt? Can I put your shirt on you? No. Are you sure?
No.
No? Can I give you a bath?
No. No.
Are you going to keep taking books out of there?
No.
No? Do you know what no means? Oh, you do know about the books. Do you want to take a bath soon?
Yeah.
That's a book.
Yeah.
1, 2. Oh. Are you hungry?
No.
No?
Yes.
What is that? Ball? Can you count? Say 1, 2, 3. What's that? What is that?